Dennis Keith Rodman, born May 13, 1961, is an American former professional basketball player. Renowned for his defensive and rebounding abilities, his biography on the official NBA website states that he is arguably the best rebounding forward in NBA history. Nicknamed the Worm, he played for the Detroit Pistons, San Antonio Spurs, Chicago Bulls, Los Angeles Lakers, and Dallas Mavericks of the National Basketball Association (NBA). Rodman played at the small forward position in his early years before becoming a power forward. He earned NBA All-Defensive First Team honors 7 times and won the NBA Defensive Player of the Year award twice. He also led the NBA in rebounds per game for a record 7 consecutive years and won 5 NBA championships. On April 1, 2011, the Pistons retired Rodman's No. 10 jersey, and he was inducted into the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame later that year. In October 2021, Rodman was honored as one of the league's greatest players of all time by being named to the NBA's 75th anniversary team. Rodman experienced an unhappy childhood and was often described as shy and introverted in his early years. After attempting to take his own life in 1993, he reinvented himself as a bad boy and became notorious for numerous controversial antics. He repeatedly dyed his hair in artificial colors, had many piercings and tattoos, and regularly disrupted games by clashing with opposing players and officials. He famously wore a wedding dress to promote his 1996 autobiography Bad as I Wanna Be. Rodman also attracted international attention for his visits to North Korea and his subsequent befriending of the North Korean Supreme Leader Kim Jong-un in 2013. In addition to being a former professional basketball player, Rodman has appeared in professional wrestling. He was a member of the NWO and fought alongside Hulk Hogan in the main event of 2 Bash at the Beach pay-per-views. In professional wrestling, Rodman was the first ever winner of the Celebrity Championship Wrestling Tournament. He had his own TV show, The Rodman World Tour, and had starring roles in the action films Double Team 1997 and Simon Says 1999. He appeared in several reality TV series and was the winner of the $222,000 main prize of the 2004 edition of Celebrity Mole. Rodman was born in Trenton, New Jersey, the son of Shirley and Philander Rodman, Jr., an Air Force enlisted member who later fought in the Vietnam War. When he was young, his father left his family, eventually settling in the Philippines. Rodman has many brothers and sisters. According to his father, he has either 26 or 28 siblings on his father's side. However, Rodman has stated that he is the oldest of a total of 47 children. After his father left, Shirley took many odd jobs to support the family, up to 4 at the same time. In his 1996 biography, Bad As I Wanna Be, he expresses his feelings for his father. "I haven't seen my father in more than 30 years, so what's there to miss, ... I just look at it like this. Some man brought me into this world. That doesn't mean I have a father." He would not meet his father again until 2012. Rodman and his 2 sisters, Deborah and Kim, grew up in the Oak Cliff section of Dallas, at the time one of the most impoverished areas of the city. Rodman's mother gave him the nickname The Worm for how he wiggles while playing pinball. Rodman was so attached to his mother that he refused to move when she sent him to a nursery when he was 4 years old. According to Rodman, his mother was more interested in his 2 sisters, who were both considered more talented than he was in basketball, and made him a laughingstock whenever he tagged along with them. He felt generally overwhelmed by the all-female household. Deborah and Kim would go on to become All-Americans at Louisiana Tech and Stephen F. Austin, respectively. Deborah won 2 national titles with the Lady Texters. While attending South Oak Cliff High School, Rodman was a gym class student of future Texas A&M basketball coach Gary Blair. Blair coached Rodman's sisters Deborah and Kim, winning 3 state championships. However, Rodman was not considered an athletic standout. According to Rodman, he was unable to hit a layup and was listed in the high school basketball teams, but was either benched or cut from the squads. Measuring only 5 feet 6 in 1.68 meters as a freshman in high school, he also failed to make the football teams and was totally devastated. Rodman had a highly publicized affair with Madonna in 1994. Madonna arranged to meet Rodman by interviewing him for Vibe magazine. They were intended to appear on the cover of the June 1994 issue, but it was shelved by the founder Quincy Jones. Rodman claimed that they attempted to conceive a child because Madonna had offered him $20 million to impregnate her. Rodman married his first wife, Annie Bakes, in September 1992. They began dating in 1987 and had a daughter. Their relationship was marred by infidelities and accusations of abuse. They divorced after 82 days. On November 14, 1998, Rodman married model Carmen Electra at the Little Chapel of the Flowers in Las Vegas, Nevada. 9 days later, Rodman filed for an annulment claiming he was of unsound mind when they married. They reconciled, but Electra filed for divorce in April 1999. She later stated that it was an occupational hazard to be Rodman's girlfriend. In 1999, Rodman met Michelle Moyer, with whom he had a son, Dennis Jr., and a daughter, Trinity. Moyer and Rodman married in 2003 on his 42nd birthday. Michelle Rodman filed for divorce in 2004, although the couple spent several years attempting to reconcile. The marriage was officially dissolved in 2012 when Michelle again petitioned the court to grant a divorce. It was reported that Rodman owed $860,376 in child and spousal support. DJ started playing college basketball for Washington State in 2019. He later transferred to USC in 2023. Rodman's daughter Trinity is a professional soccer player for the Washington Spirit and the United States national team. In a 2024 interview, Trinity stated she rarely heard from him while growing up and as an adult, saying, "He's not a dad, maybe by blood, but nothing else." On July 14, 2020, Rodman's father Philander died of prostate cancer in Angeles City, Philippines. At age 79, Dennis had previously reconciled with his father in 2012 when he made a trip to the Philippines after decades of being estranged. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.